Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I'm going to bring you another original knot. This is the Enthroned Wreath. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. Come over here, just going to put in a fold, bring it up and underneath this time and across, and then up and over. So we've got this. Then I'm going to come around and just do a delta. Then there we have that wreath time right here across the bottom. Come across the top like this. I'm going to fold it in half like this and just come right straight back up like that. I'm going to do a wreath and I'm going to put it back through this top one that I folded in half. Like that. Then I'm just going to fold this in half. I'm going to tuck it through this right here. I don't have much tie. Let me put my collar down here real quick. So then I can I'm just going to put it up underneath here. That's what I'm going to do with that. And there you have the Enthroned Wreath. Oh, no, it's my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.